Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to this week's Aldi Finds for the week of January 21st. We have Aldi Finds that you will love. We have Valentine deals, items to chop, steam, and sizzle, and items for bathroom refresh. Now let's get started. First, we're going to start with the apparel, shoes, and accessories section. We just have one item here, and it's the licensed two-pack Valentine's pajama pants, only $14.99. Now we're heading into the baby, kids, and toy section. First up, we have the Cottage Door Press Valentine's Day board book. You have four different ones to choose from, and they're only $4.99 each. We have the Hot Wheels single die cast car. It comes in assorted varieties for $1.99. And we have the Jazzwares 8-inch Valentine Squishmallow. We have six different ones to choose from. $9.99. I love the pickle one, friends. We also have the Lego Botanical. You can choose from daisies, roses, or sunflowers for $14.99. We have the Moose Toys Valentine's 2-pack Bluey figures. You can choose from Bluey and Bingo or Bluey and Muffin, $8.99. We have the Nido Glitter Squeeze Heart. They come in assorted colors and they're only $3.99. We have the Nido Honey Hugs Bear. You can get them in assorted colors and they are $3.99. We have the Play-Doh Valentine's Day Compound. It is a 12-pack and they're $4.99. And the last item in this section is the Zuru Baby Pinkles Fuggler. Oh my. There's six different ones to choose from and they're only $4.99. Now we're heading into the home and decor section. First up, we have the Kirkton House 24 by 36-inch chef mat. You can choose from blue, gray, or taupe, and it comes in weave or diamond pattern, $12.99. We have the Kirkton House two-piece luxury chenille bath rug, gray, navy, or tan, $14.99. And we also have the Kirkton House luxury bath sheet, blue, gray, or white that matches those rugs, $9.99. We also had the Kirkton House 4-pack hand towels, and they're blue, gray, or white as well, $9.99. We had the Kirkton House luxury shower curtain. Comes in four beautiful designs, $9.99. We had the Kirkton House shower curtain liner. You can choose from clear, frosted, or white for $6.99. We had the Kirkton House 3-wick candle. It comes in three different scents, $4.99. And we have the Kirkton House Galentine's candle. They are absolutely beautiful and they come in four different scents and they are only $3.99. And the last item in this section is the Kirkton House glass lid luxury candle. They come in four different colors and scents, only $6.99. Now we're heading into the home improvement section. First up, we have the Ambiano humidifier cleaning fish. You can get it in blue or yellow for $9.99. We have the Ambiano Top Fill Cool Mist Humidifier. You can get it black with clear tank, white with clear tank, or white with a gray tank, $19.99. We have the Easy Home Multifunction 2-in-1 shower system. It comes in black or chrome, $14.99. And we have the Kirkton House Apothecary Glass Jars. You can get it in clear or ribbed, $9.99. We have the Kirkton House Makeup Storage Container. You can get it in cream or green, $19.99. And the last item in this section is the Kirkton House Retractable Wall Hook. Comes in dark brown or natural, $9.99. Now we're heading into the kitchen section. First up, we have the Adventure Ridge 40-ounce Thirst Crusher tumbler. You can get bows and cherries, checkered flowers, or hearts, $9.99. We have the Ambiano 6-cup rice cooker. It comes in black or blue, $16.99. And we have the Crofton 2-pack bamboo cutting boards, $6.99. We have the Crofton 2-piece bamboo kitchen utensils. You can choose from spoons or turners, $1.49. And we have the Crofton 3-pack Asian knife set. You can choose from stained bamboo handle or stainless steel handle, $12.99. We have the Crofton Acacia wood bowls. You can get angled or straight edge, $12.99. We have the Crofton adjustable mandolin slicer. It comes in blue, gray, or green, $6.99. And we have the Crofton carbon steel stir fry wok, $16.99. And we have the Crofton cast iron reversible gritter. my gosh. The Crofton cast iron reversible griddle, 16.99. We have the Crofton ceramic noodle bowl. You can get it in blue, printed, or white, 4.99. We have the Crofton Portion Perfect collapsible meal kit. You can choose the blue or green one, and they come in 3 or 4 compartments, only 4.99. Next up, we have the Crofton servingware assortment. They come in either blue or gray. You can choose from a 5-piece serving accessory set, a 2-pack plates, a platter, or a 4-pack sauce dish, 4.99. We have the Crofton 2-pack stainless steel splatter guard, black or blue, 5.99. Next up is the Crofton 2-pack stainless steel steamer. You can choose from black or blue, 5.99. We have the Crofton stainless steel utensils. You can get the 2-piece twist whisk, chopsticks, cookie scoop meatball scoop, tongue, masher, meat tenderizer, or wok strainer, 5.99. We have the Crofton 2-tier bento box. It comes in black gray, or green teal, 6.99. We have the Crofton Valentine Day meal prep containers. You can get the divided compartment in bow or flower, or you can get the candy or checker design in the single compartment, and it's 3.99. And the last item in this section is the Crofton Valentine Day Snackle Box. You can get pink or purple bow or pink and red heart for $3.99. Now we're heading into the outdoor living and garden section. First up, we have the Belavi Ceramic Valentine's Day Planter. It comes in heart or mushroom, $3.99. We have the Rose Bouquet 12 count. It comes in assorted colors, $6.99. And the last item in this section is the Hyacinth in glass vase. It comes in assorted colors, $4.99. Now we're heading into the personal care and beauty section. We just have one item here, and it's the Ambiano rechargeable sonic toothbrush. It comes in aqua, black, blue, or purple, $19.99. Now we're heading into the school, office, and art supply section. First up, we have the licensed character Valentine's Exchange cards. There's so many different ones to choose from. We have Gabby's Dollhouse, How to Train a Dragon, Hot Wheels, Jurassic World, Minions, Rachel Hale, Puppies and Kittens, or Sonic, $1.99 per pack. Next up, we have the Paint Your Own Valentine's Day Wood Craft. You can choose from Cowgirl, Heart Designs, Hearts, Letter, or XOXO, $3.99. Next up, we have the Pembroke Valentine's Day cards. You can choose from bow, conversation hearts, cookies, floral, happy Valentine's Day, hearts, love you a bunch, mail, or stars, only 99 cents each. And the last item in this section is the Pembroke Valentine's Day craft card kit. You have several different ones to choose from, and they're only $1.99 per kit. Now we're heading into the bakery and bread section. First up, we have the Bake Shop Valentine's brownies, $4.49. And we have the Reese's peanut butter or chocolate peanut butter candy cookies, $4.49. We also have the 2-bite Valentine's Day mini cupcakes for $3.89. And the last item in this section is the 2-bite Valentine's iced mini donuts, only $3.95. Now we're heading into the beverage and beverage powder section. First up, we have the Capri Sun Variety 30-pack count for $9.99. That's a good price. Next up, we have the GT's Living Foods Kombucha. You can choose from Honeycrisp Apple or Blood Orange for $3.29. We have the Gatorade 12-ounce 12-pack. We have Cool Blue, Fruit Punch, Glacier Freeze, Lemon Lime, or Orange for $7.98. And the last item in this section is the LaCroix Sparkling Flavored Water 15-pack. You can choose Pure Sparkling or Lemon Sparkling, $6.49. Now we're heading into the fresh meat and seafood section. We just have this one item here, and it's the Morton's of Omaha Petite Beef Tender. You can choose from garlic or peppercorn, $6.99 per pound. Now we're heading into the frozen food section. First up, we have the Sunday Shop Macaroon Ice Cream Sandwich. You can choose from strawberry or vanilla, $4.49. We have the Appetitos Frozen Dip. You can choose from buffalo chicken or spinach artichoke for $4.99. We have the Appetitos Crab Ragoon or cream cheese wontons, $3.79. We have the Lunch Buddy Strawberry Crustless PB&J Sandwich for $3.35. We have the Bremer Cheesy Ranch Chicken Skillet, $4.59. And we have the Kirkwood 5-pound chicken wings for $12.99. We have the Vermont Fish Market Bay Scallops, $6.99. And we have the Fuchsia Asian Inspiration Sweet and Sour Chicken for $7.49. We have the Journey 2 Thai Red Chicken Curry, $6.49. We have the Roseland Barbecue Baby Back Ribs. We have original or honey garlic for $8.99. We have the Geno's East Deep Dish Pizza. You can choose from cheese or combo, $8.29. We have the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen Pizza. We have two different ones to choose from, $4.99. And we have the Arby's Seasons Curly Fries, $4.69. And the last item in this section is the Season's Choice Breaded Cauliflower, Buffalo or Garlic Parm, $3.99. Now we're moving into the pantry section. First up, we have the Fuchsia Asian Inspirations Noodle Meal Kit, $3.09. We have the Earthly Greens Street Food Ready to Serve Rice, Bang Bang or Korean Barbecue, $1.49. We have the Nissan Top Ramen, $6.49. We have the Snapdragon Ramen Cup. Friends, I just want to let you know this is $1.98. I saw this at Food Lion, this exact brand, for $2.99 at Food Lion. So this is a very good price. And oh, am I excited about this one. Swanson now has the ramen broth. I don't know. It says new on there. I've never seen it, so I'm excited about this. $2.52. Now we're heading into the snacks section, which is our very last section. First up, we have the Little Debbie football brownies for $3.16. We have the Nabisco snack sack. You can get the animal crackers, mini Chips Ahoy's, or the mini Oreos, $2.85. We have the Clancy's kettle chips, buffalo wing or parm garlic, $1.99. We have the Clancy's onion snack rings, original or hot, $2.29. We have the Clancy's pretzel slims, garlic parm or honey mustard and onion, $2.29. I'd like to try the honey mustard and onion one. I wonder if they taste like the Hanover ones. We have the Fuchsia Asian Inspirations Crunchy Rice Rolls, $2.99. We have the General Mills Value Size Bugles, original or nacho, $4.12. We had the Lay's Party Size Potato Chips, original or barbecue, $5.44. We have the Lesser Evil Real Organic Cheddar Popcorn for $2.89. And we have the Tostitos Queso. You can get queso blanco or salsa con queso for $4.79. And the very last item for today, friends, is the Pretzilla Pretzel Bites. I love these things. They are so good, dipped in like mustard. $4.98. Disclaimer: this content is not affiliated or sponsored by Aldi. This video is a recreation of the Aldi Finds ad for informational and entertainment purposes only. Prices, products, and availability may vary by store and region. While I strive for accuracy, errors or changes may occur. Prices and details may vary by location. Information is based on the current Aldi Finds ad. Please refer to the official Aldi Finds ad or your local store for confirmation. So, friends, thanks so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. So, friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week with more great Aldi Finds. Bye.